2020, the year of our Lord. I have a breaking news for you. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Nwa amadi nwanne anyị nwoke Ralph Wazirike ekwugwo si na Biafra bịagwo na onye ọwụ na relax ya na Biafra bịagwo na anyị nọ n'ime Biafra already na ya nwa enwetegoro ndị Igbo Biafra na Biafra. There is no need panicking. There is no need carrying flag or placards going about the street. There is no need carrying hats and shirts or shoes or bangle, anything written Biafra, that Biafra, we are inside Biafra already. And nwa amadia n'ihi na Biafra bịagwo wee na-agwa onye ọwụ na biko unu ga-agbawa paspọtụ Biafra. Kere ebe a na-aga ịgba paspọtụ Biafra na Okwe. That place o wuru his kingdom, his palace in Okwe. Nwa amadi Ralph Wazirike na-agwa anyị na onye ọwụ na bịawa na Okwe bịa register for passport, international passport, Biafra international passport, and also to collect your plate number, whether you have bought a car or you have not bought a car, it doesn't matter. Because nage bia kwụ ụgwọ ka I were plate number gị, kwụ ụgwọ were driving license gị written Republic of Biafra. Nage bia were international passport gị. It doesn't matter. Na ihe a ya emechagworo ndị Igbo ihe ya ga-emere ndị Igbo. Na ihe ịhụzụrụ na-akpagharị nụ na-ebugharị flag na-agagharị na onwe Biafra ha na fight na ọ dị ka ihe ụmụaka ka ha na-eme. In fact, na ihe ha na-eme dị ihe ụmụaka ka ha na-eme. O were na-asị na refer yi to ndị IPOB were na-asị gwana m otu esi ebu flag na-aga n'ụlọ chọọchị na-amụ kandụl na-akụ aka na-ekpe ekpere ma ọ wụ ya otu esi enweta Biafra. Na ndị Igbo na ha relax ya, onye emezi na panicking. Ịma na Wazirike, for your information, Wazirike si ya panic is na panic ọkwa ya na ya panic na Biafra abịagwo. Wazirike na agwa anyị na Biafra abịagwo, onye ọhụrụ na relax ya. There is no need for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, person like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to go to international community and tell us that we want Biafra, because Wazirike have gotten us Biafra already. Ihe a news on agwa anyị na BBC Igbo. Aga m ekwu okwu BBC Igbo again today. Mazi Wazirike na agwa anyị that there is no need for us to go to UN. There is no need for us to station in the European country capitals demonstrating for Biafra. Na Biafra bịagwo na anyị nọ n'ime Biafra. O setigwo government of Biafra already. The government of Biafra nọ n'Okwe na palace Wazirike. Ụmụnna ihe a wee na-remind m Wazirike levy that we paid. I cannot stop talking about it. I paid Wazirike levy. Ndị mmadụ na-azụ ahịa na kwụrụ Wazirike levy. Ndị ọrụ ụzọ kwụrụ Wazirike levy. Ndị nwere shop na-akwụ Wazirike. Ndị moto park na-akwụ Wazirike levy. Ọkada kwụrụ ụgwọ Wazirike levy. Ụmụnna lekene na anya ihe dị mkpa si na ọwa lawyer na-abịa akọrọ anyị. Wazirike na-agwa anyị that na ya enwetegwo Biafra, that na anyị nọzi n'ime Biafra, na ya nwe arụchagwo ọrụ niile Biafra ekwesịrị ịnụ na Biafra. Ụmụnna unu parakwa tule o. Ndị Igbo parakwanụ tule. Ndị a na-amachi na-eso Wazirike mgbe ọwụ na ọ kpọrọ bịa na-amachi n'Okwe n'ime compound ebe a na-eme ebe ahụ nka. No, ebe a na-eme machi Biafra wụ n'ime compound palace ego zuru anyị n'eshi oge ọ nakọsịrị ndị mmadụ ma ụmụ agadi nwaanyị nakọghị nta nakọghị iko. Gaga nara federal government oil well were Biafra re Biafra rekpo. Wazirika the same Wazirika na afuta now na asa n'ọnụ na agwa that na Biafra digo settled. Mwere na aju kere ebe Biafra ahụ nọ n'okwe na palace ego ahụ, that is ngwuru ahụ o choro n'okwe ebe ahụ niile ọ na-aga eme mass pass ya from time to time with ndị otu ya. N'ime ụlọ ka a na-eme Biafra nke ya, n'ime ụlọ ka o wetara Biafra, n'ime palace ya ka o wetara Biafra nke ya. So Biafra awo now na ihe onyonyo a nwa amadi ya mere. O kwuru okwu Mahatma Gandhi. When I was in College of Commerce, I studied history na College of Commerce, Cork, as an adult living certificate. That is where I started my journey of education. I study about Mahatma Gandhi and I study about Hitler, study about South Africa man Nelson Mandela. In fact, I use Nelson Mandela to write my essay. I study a little bit of European and international history. Mahatma Gandhi, that one night Nwoko Wazirike Jimera a reference, said that no peaceful demonstration ka ọ na-eme. Na ndị nke ọzọ ọ na-arife ya aka IPOB ndị ọ na-arife na ha dị violent. Ụmụnna na-egekwe n'okwu because na some of you unu amaghị ntemerịkọ nọ n'okwu, ma ihe na-akpọ ntemerịkọ ma idiom n'okwu o proverb nọ n'okwu unu anaghịghọta mana ihe a tren na n'ime ya bụ mmadụ kwuo okwu anyị eme okwu ya analyze mara ebe ọ na-aga, mara ebe ọ nọ na mgbe ọ na-apụ, ma ebe ọ na-aga, ma ebe ọ na-aga ịkwụsị. Anyị were conclude o mara ihe nọ ya n'obi. Muhammad said that na peaceful demonstration we ihe kwesịrị iji nweta Biafra. Na Mahatma Gandhi who one of them, his preferable author that he used to make his analysis of how freedom fighting is. So literally, Wazirike is telling us that IPOB coming on the street in mass is violence. There's no other way. If he's, as Wazirike said, that there is no other way to do the agitation for Biafra, to sit down in Okwe Palace and be making past march inside his palace, Okwe Palace. That's what he's telling us. Is a peaceful one. The other people he referring to, which is IPOB, carrying flag to Wazirike is violence. You wearing this bangle to Wazirike is violence. Youth flooding the street to Wazirike, it is violence. But can you people ask Wazirike, did Mahatma Gandhi sit down one single day without going from marching? They have what they call salt march that they declare in whole Indian. The salt march was to stop buying salt from the British authority, British government, because the business of the salt is from the Britain. And Mahatma Gandhi declared salt march to tell their people, we are not buying the salt of British salt anymore. They abandoned anything British salt. The company liquidated. That is how he started his own. Mahatma Gandhi is on the street 24 hours. How did they kill him? Was he not on the street? They murdered him. There are people who think that his quietness and his coolness trying to negotiate with the Islam is a waste of time. They killed him. Mahatma Gandhi died in the forefront. He's a peaceful agitator, but he was killed violently. But Wazirike said that Biafra have come. The Mahatma Gandhi that he is using to make reference, Wazirike have never 1/8. 1/8 is when you divide one thing into 4. One is 1/4. The other 1/4, you divide it into 4 again. We call it 1/8 in mathematics. Wazirike have never showed any strength of any kind, any resilience about the struggle for Biafra. Wazirike came. They put him into prison. Like Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He came out. Immediately he came out, he sold Biafra. He sold Biafra. Selling license, plate number, selling passports, collecting money, Wazirike levy. And people were paying Wazirike levy. Where is the levy? Where is the money for the levy? You can go to in his palace, his mansions, and see it. So Wazirike is telling us that, indirectly telling us that IPOB movement in the eastern Nigeria and the other part of Nigeria is violence. That's what Wazirike is classifying. Wazirike is agreeing literally with the federal government for proscription of the IPOB. There's no two ways about it, because he said it was a peaceful demonstration that Mahatma Gandhi used to get his agitation, get the independence of India. My brother, listen. The other face of it, Wazirike is telling us that relaxing in his palace in Okwe is a peaceful demonstration. Not coming out to the street to disturb or to agitate or to tell people to rally around with him and demonstrate on the street. Wazirike see those things as violence. Go and watch the thing. Wazirike sees the activities of IPOB as a violence means of agitation. The discussion over the radio, calling people to support, and is saying we are not carrying arms, we are peaceful demonstrators, and nobody have seen them with arms. Wazirike literally have concluded that they are violent people. What Wazirike is echoing to ndị Igbo. Ihe Wazirike na-agwa ndị Igbo, ndị nne na nna, na IPOB wu ndị okwu na ụka. That ya nwa Wazirike with ndị otu ya, ma ndị ọsọ veteran ya na ha na-akpakọ. Gaa na palace ya n'Okwe, gaa relax ya na aṅụrụ tea. Ego ya na-abịa from oil well. A na-eme increase na bank statement ya. No nyanwa wee be esi eme gịnị? Protest for agitation of freedom of people. But mistakenly, he referred to Mahatma Gandhi, who is always on the street. Mahatma Gandhi will come on the street where two classes of people are fighting, two agitators, the Muslim side, the Hindu side. Mahatma Gandhi will go there by himself. Is he not on the process that shot him, that they kill him? But Wazirike is saying that himself is a peaceful demonstrator, so ndị Igbo ga-ele ya anya. Ụmụnna lekene na ụtara ede nọ na Okwe, n'ime ụlọ ya na Okwe, na-agwa anyị na anyị ga-aga sụọ dị ụtara ede, anyị sụcha ya nọrọ n'ụlọ anyị na-ericha ya ṅụọ mmanya. Biafra abịa, ọ sị na Biafra abịagwo. So ndị ọwụ na-awụ his followers gaa na Okwe. Wazirike na-akpọ unu ka unu bịa na Okwe, ka unu bịa were passport unu. Unu ga-ewerekwu plate number. It doesn't matter whether me nwere car, even inwe bicycle, nana plate number for the bicycle. And they ga-agbakwu license, Biafran license, because maka gịnị na Biafra emegwo, gịnị na Biafra abịagwo. Now I'm concluding here. Ụmụnna, unu hụgo the dangerous work the BBC Igbo na-arụ. I was the first person to spot the activities of the BBC Igbo. We call it social engineering or psychological engineering. It only simple means I want to have control over you. I want to strip off your own will from you, and I will want to impose my will. When I come out in the social media and bring fallacies, lies, paint it like a sweet, and use something that will make it look palatable and present to you, a layman will not understand. Ndị nna anyị na ndị nna anyị na-agaghị school agaghị ama the game onye a na-eplay. Ụwazirike si that na-ekwu okwu na Biafra abịagwo na ndị Igbo na ha ga-relax ya. Ụmụnna lekene na anya the condition of Nigeria ebe a na-relax. Ajụjụ ka nna ajụkwa o. Ụwazirike si na ya enwetagwo Biafra na anyị nọ n'ime Biafra na ndị a na-ebugharị flag na-aga n'ụlọ chọọchị na-ekpe ekpere na amaghị na ha nọ n'ime Biafra. Ụmụnna kere ihe statement ahụ na-agwa anyị. Statement ahụ na-agwa anyị that this statement is to bias the mind of people, to kill the mind of agitators, to kill the mind of the youth, to destroy the mindset of the youth, the cycle of the youth, for them to do what? Relax and abandon agitation. My brother, without you making noise, do you know the reason why America will find it difficult intervening in Nigeria? America don't fight for cowards. American soldier cannot go and die for cowards. America as a nation penetrate, apart from people who say that wherever America goes that they are looking for their interest. Yes, it's the truth, it's the fact. But let me tell you, America is the only country that gives human being freedom in this world. As long as this world, America is the first country to declare liberty for every man. For people to have their right, their say. American law, American Constitution stand for the liberty and freedom of people. Apart from their interest, nobody that is going business without interest. America enters into country, first of all, when they see that the killing is going on so rapidly, so much genocide is, when they investigate, and when some people might be making politics using diplomacy, delaying things because of corruption that is in the United Nations. But some president will come, they use their veto power and begin to act immediately because they are the police of the world, they are superpower. The reason why America cannot come to intervene in Nigeria is because Nigeria are gullible people, very useless people. Nigerians are not human beings. We are not human beings. We are animals. A country that will push you into the gutter, tell you to lick shit that is in, you lick it. Just because you love life, you want to live life. America can never enter into such country. So now, let me go back to Ụwazirike. Ụwazirike in the BBC Igbo. Now, Gwandi Igbo, there is no need to agitate or to show your resentment. The Hausa is killing you, strangulating your business, burning fire, all our shops is all over across Nigeria. Ụwazirike say, there is no need to panic. Only relax. Isiodi onye amma. Uno check good. Isiodi onye amma. Nwoke awu nne anwodo no behind the BBC Igbo. Uno hụrụ ọrụ ọjọọ ha na-arụ. Ụwazirike chọrọ deceive ụmụ youth and ụmụ nwaanyị ọhụrụ na-eso Nnamdi Kanu. But unfortunately to him, it's too late for him because even Edo people, Middle Belt people, Yoruba people are supporting IPOB tooth and nail. People that even some people are bold enough to go and meet Nnamdi Kanu, confess and say that they are sorry for castigating him, criticizing him. Ụwazirike. Ndụmọdụ na-adọgo agwagwo nge before. Nwanne anyị nwoke, nwanne m nwoke ka ewu. Half of this propaganda in eme. Onwere otu ị ga-eji reconcile with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, join into the agitation. Ụwazirike, you can never take record or any honor that you are the one who got Biafra. You sold Biafra. There's no two ways about it. You are a saboteur. There is a place they mention Ụwazirike and his Masop. In somewhere in abroad here. The authorities say that man is a sellout. There is no two ways about it. They said Ụwazirike is a sellout. Do you think you are intelligent more than white people? It's not possible. They knows everything that is happening in Igbo land, in Biafra land. They know it more than us. They get information more than us. They know that Wazirike is a sellout. You don't talk about Wazirike. Why is it that they are not calling Wazirike? Wazirike told us that he was the first person to register Biafra in United Nations. Nnamdi Kanu go and show them nothing like that. When Nnamdi Kanu and co register Biafra, he showed it to us and we find it and we see it. Did you see it? Did you see the dangerous work BBC Igbo is doing? Some of you think that BBC Igbo is there for your benefit. BBC Igbo cannot do us good. If we are mad, we will assume that BBC Igbo will do us good. People who blockade you, who fought war against you, who killed you, killed your mother, killed 5 million of your siblings and mothers and fathers. How do you think that their media can do something good for you? BBC is a poisonous, is a dangerous machinery. That the blood is in the hand of the owner or whoever that first established that BBC. His generation upon generation upon generation will queue up in hell. They are dying there because they are murderer. They kill people. They kill people. They murder people. BBC cannot tell you what is happening in Yemen. Yemen is almost extinct. In extinction. Children, every bomb, they are killing. Who is showing it? CNN, are they showing it? The only people can bring a part of it is Al Jazeera. So please, Iwuru onye Igbo, nwaafọ Igbo, nne na nna, do not be deceived by the nonsense of Wazirike Nekwu. Wazirike will have his judgment when the time comes. Some people will say, oh, he started Biafra. You started Biafra and the end, you sold the thing you started. So there is no honor to be given to you at all in any way. The envy you are making about IPOB Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not the best solution. I think all this propaganda that you are doing over the media, Wazirike, is not a repented heart. It doesn't show that you love Ndi Igbo. A repented heart is when even somebody offend you, you know that that person offended you, forgive that person, you go to that person, try to reconcile. You say, I am doing it because of these people, because of the suffering of Ndi Igbo. You should have gone to Mazen Nnamdi and all the molest. You urinated upon him with your gang members. The picture is there. And you are coming to tell us that Biafra have come, that we are in Biafra already. We should relax. So you are deceiving the old people, the women, that they should not be able to be, they should not go to the street and demonstrate all the killing that is happening in our place. Wazirike riyadu duonwege. Agwagwonge before riyadu duonwege. All hell Biafra. This is Evangelist B. Please, you watch this video, share it to your friends and your relatives. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, type in YouTube channel BC Radio 1 News. Then click subscribe. That is the major place that I am posting until I reconcile things with the Facebook. That is where I'm doing my broadcast. God bless you. God bless Mazen Nnamdi. All hell Biafra. We are marching on. I am happy that people, our brothers from Edo, and all the places, they are coming to join us. God bless you.